I swear my dreams are longer than my real life.
Let's see. Did a miracle happen overnight? Nope. Still just pickles and sadness.
Breakfast of champions, or at least survivors. Bro, not again!
Come back here, you feathered fruit bandit!
Justice has been served. You gotta teach 'em young.
Fine, we split it. But next time, you ask first. Sharing is caring, unless it's the last banana. Then it's war.
You forgive, you share, you heal. That's how grown-ups do it.
Today's life lesson, never trust a bird with cute eyes. So yeah, no breakfast, stolen banana, poop on my head, and now I'm